Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Now connect adapter to the power. And at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side at the bottom we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The next one is to use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one at the bottom of the charging case. The same LED light, so it also works. Also, you can use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds using, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this cable looks like this. Now connect USB-C cable to your charging case and USB-A cable to your another device. I'm going to connect it with my PC. And as you can see, it also charges your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.